Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon. Most SEOs ask, how fast is too fast? Growth speed matters because Google doesn't just evaluate what you build, it evaluates how you build it over time. Authority is not accumulated, it is observed. Now, let's talk about a concept called authority velocity. Authority velocity is the speed of signal accumulation. If your domain publishes 5 pages per month, that is stable. If it publishes 200 pages in 30 days, that's aggressive. If you gain three niche backlinks per month, that's believable, especially if you had social media outreach programs or you did an ad campaign, then you can explain the traffic because it goes traffic, then backlinks. If you have backlinks before traffic, that's suspicious. But then imagine getting 150 links in 2 weeks. Suspicious. Velocity creates patterns and Google detects patterns. Now, what is the difference between a natural and unnatural growth? Google expects growth to look organic. New sites should grow slowly. They gradually accelerate. If a 3-month-old domain suddenly behaves like a 10-year-old brand, that is misalignment. That's suspicious. Algorithms are built to detect statistical anomalies. Unnatural growth triggers dampening, not penalties, but suppression. And this is more, it is more clandestine, it is more low key because you won't know that you are being punished for something. Link velocity must match brand visibility. If you have 200 monthly visitors, no brand searches, minimal social presence, and suddenly acquire 80 backlinks in a month, that is not impossible, but it's improbable. And all Google needs is improbability because that improbability is going to trigger scrutiny. So now, content velocity also sends signals. Publishing 3 to 8 high quality pages per month in a niche, that is healthy. Publishing 300 AI articles in 45 days, that's risky, especially for new domains. Volume must match your internal linking maturity, crawl capacity, and topical cohesion. Speed without structure weakens trust. Google builds trust incrementally. If you skip layers, you create instability. For example, massive links before topical depth, weak foundation. Massive content without internal structure, that is dilution. Each layer must reinforce the previous one. That's sustainable velocity. You literally cannot put the cart before the horse. Now, whether you believe in a sandbox or not, behaviorally, new domains are monitored. Rapid authority growth during this phase often gets dampened, not penalized, just slowed. The algorithm waits to see if signals stabilize. Patience during early growth increases long term ceiling. Now, sometimes the smartest move is restraint. If you see sudden ranking jumps, rapid impression growth, backlink velocity exceeding brand growth, stabilize, let things settle. Sustained growth beats explosive growth. Explosions attract correction. Every site should move through phases. The early phase is slow, intentional, and topically narrow. The mid phase, you expand within adjacency. So you don't pivot to topics that are far away from what you currently have. You just expand reasonably. Then the late phase is when you layer powerful authority and PR. Then the mature phase is when you compete aggressively for head terms. Velocity must evolve, not spike. SEO is not just about accumulation, it's about believability. The algorithm rewards consistency over aggression. Authority velocity must feel natural. But in modern SEO, trust compounds, but suspicion suppresses. Thank you. so much for watching. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.